Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your OnJuno virtual card number. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Card. On the Cards tab, you will see several icons. Click on the View Details icon. And now you will see your virtual card number. That's how you view your OnJuno virtual card number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.